Hello everyone, welcome to another trading session. There's a beautiful common point of rejection down here. You can see we missed this one, and we also have the sell one up here. Okay, so I can just wait for either this setup or this setup. I have to take best possible trades. My balance is just going up like crazy, and I haven't set a withdrawal request yet. Hopefully I will reach 25k today, and I really want this one to come down. If there's a round number, it is supporting the price because the previous candle closed exactly on the round number, and they are kind of supporting the price. Let's see if okay, we have a gap up. I go with the sellers right here, man. And if it goes up, I will add one more. Let's go. Let's go. I have 3 trades on this one. I'm kind of sure about this trade because we have huge gap up, and then if the price comes down here, I will buy down here. I really hope at least 2 of these gonna be winning trade because the common point of rejection is pretty strong. We have this one and this one, so they have to be really good. And this gap up is in our favor. Okay, lately I have been trying to take so much risk. Sometimes I freak out, but I have to get used to this. Okay, yeah, let's see if we're gonna win this. Yes. Okay, so if the price is gonna come down here, there is a common point of rejection again. So we have two again. We have gap down. Let's go. Come down. Let's go. I'm done, bro. Look at this. This is beautiful, right? So we have 2 common points of rejection. This one and this one. Maybe this one, huh? It's not super strong. For drawing common point of rejection, you have to make sure you're drawing the common one. For example, in this case, I don't draw this. I don't draw this. I don't draw this. I draw this one because it also gets this one into the game. Okay, so we need the common points that the market has been rejected before. All right, let's see. We're gonna win this trade. These gap ups and gap downs are so good. I love them. I literally love them. I don't know why people, this is super easy, man. I don't know what to say. Okay, price is coming up again. You can see it's rejecting from the common point of rejection again. Okay, yes, man, we already done for the day, bro. I don't know, I'm just going too insane. Okay, yeah, let's just see if we can. I don't know, somehow I'm scared of taking more trades on this one. And if you're taking a lot of trades on one common point of rejection, for example this one, you have to expect breaking this common point of rejection at some point. Okay, it's not gonna range forever, it's gonna finally break. Okay, but it just keeps respecting that. And usually the common point of rejection in a flag shape works best. Okay, like that. We have also some trades on my previous session. It was a flag type of thing, just like this one. It's basically a flag, and we might have, these kind of markets, we have a lot of wicks, and then we have dojis. For example, this one was a beautiful trade to take. And then this doji break, see, imagine you taking this trade. That's fire, right? Common point of rejection. And then after this one closing down here, you can go with the buyers because of the doji break. There's a lot of good trades you can take. I would just look for other opportunity. And if you remember, I used to take so much smaller risk on my trades. I don't know, $300 per trade, but now I have upgraded my thing. And it's kind of feeling insane, man. It's been a long time I haven't felt emotional, and now emotions are kicking. It's crazy. All right, we have this doji here. All right, market doesn't sound like a trendy market. It's kind of ranging market. The minor trend has been like this, and now we are in the base. Okay, so we have a drop, and then we have a base now. We can have a rally back to the top, or we can just keep dropping, but we don't know for how long we're gonna stay inside of this range. Okay, so if it's gonna break from this side, I will go with the sellers. If it's gonna break from the downside, I will go with the buyers. If you look closer, you can see we have also some common points of rejections. Okay, this is not for drawing common points of rejections, you make sure you don't hitting the candle's body. For example, like this, we don't draw like this. We only draw the common point of rejection from the wicks. In this case, we have these two. Okay, so this is the doji area. Now let me just draw with this color. Now this candle closing up here, it's a sell signal for me, and this candle closing down here right at this round number, it's a buy signal for me. Okay, that's super easy to do, and you can try all of this in a free demo account. It has also some bonus for you guys. If you're interested, you can just check the link in the description. Okay, it's coming down now. All right, I entered here for only one trade. Hopefully it's gonna work out. And you know, these common points of rejection, they break at some point. Okay, for example, you wait for the trade and then all of a sudden it breaks and goes up. You cannot do anything about that. You can't have this one broken because this is a base. We had the drop previously and we can't have another drop. Okay, that's simply the case. Okay, but let's imagine if this was, let me tell you that this is a doji, right? Let's imagine this candle was closing here. Okay, I mean, it's closing below the doji. All right, we lost this trade. Let's say this candle was closing here, okay? And then you had the common point of rejection. It just moves and then it doesn't let me explain. Okay, and then the next candle was coming down. So the next candle was a short shot, okay? Because we already broke the doji, right? But this one just starts dropping, and I'm not gonna count on this doji anymore, okay? Because simply the market is going down. We don't want to take blind trades. Just gonna look for good trades. Okay, I go with the sellers exactly right here, man. The reason behind this trade is pretty simple. Let me just see. Okay, that was a winning trade. Look at this engulf. You can see this engulf, right? And if I go to the lower time frame, you can see a beautiful QM. Look at this. This is a beautiful QM. Like, this is a beautiful QM. If you don't know what QM is, you have to watch this video. It's gonna pop up after this video, okay? It's gonna pop up at the end of the video. You have to watch it. This is an engulf, right? So we know that engulfing patterns, they have something inside of themselves that the market can react. Most of them, not all of them. Most of them have something. We will check this one as well, okay? I go to the 15 minutes, you can see this beautiful. And then previous one also, look at this. Previous one also have a setup inside of itself. So we could take this one, we could take this one, okay? And also this is a common point of rejection again, which it has reacted from that one, okay? So that was a nice trade. Again, we have another engulf. Let's just check the 15. No, for this one, we don't have any setup, okay? It's not, we're not supposed to have in every single engulf. All right, I took another risky trade, boys. I took another risky trade. It's gonna close on the next candle. I didn't mean to close on the next candle, to be honest. I entered at the last couple of seconds. That's why it's gonna close on the next candle. But the reason behind this trade is also simple. We have this doji as a core. Okay, you know that when we have a doji, most likely the price is gonna range, right? Most likely the price is gonna range. And now we have this doji at the middle of this common point of rejection. Okay, so we talked about common point of rejection in this session. Okay, so imagine if you have a doji at the middle of it. That's super strong. That's super strong if you have a doji inside of a common point of rejection, because they have same characteristics. Okay, and now You can see it's perfectly reacted. It could go up. I'm not saying I was sure about this candle. I was taking my trade on this candle, but if you take your trade in the last couple of seconds, it's gonna open on the next candle, okay? I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to drop a like for me and join the Telegram channel. I share my students' results. Thank you for watching and peace out.